Hello developers! Welcome to the future. Today, we are diving deep into my video. You need to watch this full video to believe it. Let's create something amazing.
Python statistics. Median_grouped method. In Python, median_grouped is a statistical method used to calculate the median of grouped continuous data, calculated as the 50th percentile. In this video, we will discuss the statistics.median_grouped method, including its syntax, parameters, return value, and examples. What is the median_grouped method? The statistics.median_grouped method calculates the median of grouped continuous data. It assumes that the data values represent the midpoints of equal width intervals. The median is estimated by interpolating within the interval that contains the median value, assuming the values are uniformly distributed within that interval. The mathematical formula for grouped median is G_median equals L plus interval asterisk n/2 CF/F, where L equals the lower limit of the median interval, interval equals the interval width, n equals the total number of data points, CF equals the number of data points below the median interval, F equals the number of data points in the median interval. Syntax. It has the following syntax. Statistics median_grouped data interval. Parameters. The following parameters are used by the median_grouped method. Data. It is a sequence of a list, tuple, or set that contains integer values and floating point values. Interval specifies the width of each group in the dataset. Changing this value affects the interpolation used to calculate the median. The default value is 1. Return value. It returns a floating point value representing the median of grouped continuous data, calculated as the 50th percentile.
How would you like this video? Let me know in the comments. Drop a like if you enjoyed it, and share this with your friends. Leave a comment about the best part of this video.
Examples. Let's take some examples of the median_grouped method to better understand it. Example 1. Using the median_grouped method with different datasets and intervals. The following example demonstrates how to calculate the grouped median using different datasets and intervals with the median_grouped method.
Hello, let's use the grouped median method. We can use it with different datasets and intervals. It returns the median as a floating point value. This is how easy it is to use.
Explanation. In this example, we import the statistics module and create different datasets named tuple_dataset, list_dataset, set_dataset, and dict_dataset. These datasets are then passed to the median_grouped method with different intervals, which returns their grouped median as a floating point value. Example 2. Demonstrating on floating point values. The following example demonstrates how to calculate the grouped median using floating point values in the median_grouped method.
Hello, let's use floating point values. We define two list datasets, then we pass both datasets to the method. It calculates their grouped median. This is how easy it is to use.
Explanation. In the above example, we imported the statistics module and created two list datasets named dec_dataset and neg_dataset. One dataset contains positive floating point values, while the other contains negative floating point values. We then passed both datasets to the median_grouped method with different interval values to calculate their grouped median.
How would you like this video? Let me know in the comments. Drop a like if you enjoyed it, and share this with your friends. Leave a comment about the best part of this video.
Example 3. Demonstrating empty dataset error. The following example demonstrates that passing an empty sequence, such as an empty set or a list, to the median_grouped method raises an error.
What if we pass an empty dataset? Let's create an empty set or list and try to calculate the grouped median. It raises a statistics error because it requires at least one data point.
Explanation. In the above example, we imported the statistics module and created an empty dataset. When this dataset is passed to the median_grouped method, it raises a statistics error, no median for empty data. It indicates that an empty dataset is not allowed.
How would you like this video? Let me know in the comments. Drop a like if you enjoyed it, and share this with your friends. Thanks for watching. Want to stay ahead in AI? Then join our WhatsApp channel today because we stay updated with latest tech. Just click the link below. Want to master the future? Then you need to hit subscribe right now because we bring you the best AI content. So please like and share this video.